Click for IB Biology. We're looking at mitosis, and we've already just covered the anaphase in which the chromatids have separated. And what we're doing here is we're hesitating for a moment to look at more detail of how the microtubules of the spindle and the protein motors actually bring about the movement of the sister chromatids to opposite ends of the cell. There's a blank PDF of my presentation down in the description. You can download and annotate that with your own notes. And there's a 10-question quick quiz with answers to check your understanding. And there's an AI prompt in the channel links which launches a multiple choice interactive quiz with a chatbot of your choice. It will guide you through a self-assessment just by copying and pasting that into ChatGPT or one of the other chatbots that you have. So how does this work? So we know that in the anaphase, we can see here that the pair of sister chromatids are being pulled apart. The V-shape points in the direction of the movement. How does this actually happen? Well, the first thing to be aware of is that these are the spindle proteins here, which are known as microtubules. So these are protein molecules. And they are focused in on the centrosomes, which are at the poles of the cell. So here and here. And worth mentioning, reminding you that the centrosomes themselves are anchored to the cell membrane here by proteins and also here at the opposite pole by proteins. So the centrosomes are anchored so that they don't move. And so we have at the actual point where the chromatid, or once separate, they're actually known as chromosomes again. So in red, we have the chromosome here and here, and it's attached to the microtubule at the kinetochore. And there's a structure called a protein, a motor protein, and this is doing a number of things. It's pulling the chromosome, the chromatid, along this microtubule here towards the poles so that we get separation. And at the same time, what it does is it breaks down the protein structure of the microtubule, and that's what these particles are here that I'm trying to indicate. And so this is how the chromatids will be, if we watch them, we would see them moving towards the poles, and that would lead us, of course, to our next video, which of course is to the telophase. Telo means end, doesn't mean two, it means end. So here's the link to the telophase video, to the playlist, and of course, your chance to subscribe to the channel.